How to verify your card on MoonPay. In order to verify our card on MoonPay, launch MoonPay first of all and go about adding your card as you usually would. Go to Profile from the top left and go to this gear icon from the top right hand side. From here, select the option Payment Methods. And from here you can see you can add debit or credit card. So select Add New and make sure to enter your card details along with the expiry date and the CVV number. Now if it asks you to verify, you have to first complete a selfie verification. And then you have to also enter the bank statement code. Locate the 4-digit code tied to the pending MoonPay charge on your online bank statement and enter it. And you must also take a screenshot of your virtual card app screen showing the device or virtual card number along with the last 4 digits of your card. And another thing is micro authorization. You have to confirm small merchant test charges that applies to your account. This way you can verify your card on MoonPay. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.